This video will explain to you what an evidence organizer is and how to use it. This is the evidence organizer. The top of the evidence organizer has a space to write a focus statement. Sometimes you start with the focus statement. Other times the evidence helps you decide what your focus statement will be. The focus statement tells the topic or big idea. This is why the space is at the top. The first row is for context. Here you give background about your text. Because we have two quotations, I would identify the speaker of each quotation in a separate row. The next column is where you can write evidence from the text. You can either copy the exact words or you can paraphrase it in your own words. Remember, when you copy the exact words, you have to use quotation marks. The third column is for the source of the evidence. You can list the text title. For these quotations, I would write handout 1A. Remember, the source is the place or book from where the information came. The last column is a space to elaborate and explain the evidence. This is where you can explain why the evidence is important. You can elaborate or add more detail on how it connects to the focus. And that's what the evidence organizer is.